guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anna, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step wash day routine that grew my hair out while it was in a protective style. Many of you that know me know that I'm always in locks, and I've gotten this question on how I maintain my hair in locks and how I grow it while it's in that protective style. So today I'm going to share with you guys all the tips and tricks and products and ingredients that I use to achieve this. Onto the product, I'm going to be using Mega Growth Stimulating Shampoo to wash, and the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner of your choice. I'm going to be using a rinse, and today's rinse is going to be clove water and an oil. I'm going to give you guys more details about this specific oil later. The first thing I like to do is pack my hair up. When you're washing your hair while it's in protective style, your main point is your scalp. So packing the hair will you can see my scalp is clean, no dirt inside, no dandruff inside. And the reason why I'm pulling my hair is to show you guys the new growth I've accumulated. As at the time I made this video, this hair was only 2 weeks old, and this is the amount of new growth I've gotten because of this routine. So yeah, trust me when I say when this hair was made, it was tied down to the scalp. I could not move one single strand without it paining me. So this growth, guys, this growth, Now onto the main part of this video, the clove water rinse. Guys, I have a video on my channel about all the benefits of clove water to your hair. So if you've not watched that video, go and watch that. But just know that this is a very important step in this wash day routine, the clove water rinse. So what I like to do is pour it on my hair as you saw me doing the last clip, and I don't rinse it out. It's a rinse on its own, so you just leave it to dry in your hair. To make clove water for your wash day routine, all you have to do is soak some cloves in a bottle of water and leave it overnight. The benefit of clove, oh my god, the magic that clove works when it comes to hair growth is out of this world. And with all that being said, I want to introduce you guys to the next step of this wash day routine, the oil. You guys, this oil is not any ordinary oil. This oil is fully infused with natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to promote hair growth. In this oil, we have clove, rosemary, ginger, thyme. All these ingredients are powerful agents that help to promote hair growth. If you want a video on how I make this oil, please comment down below and I'll do that video as soon as possible. This is the finishing and most important part of this routine, which is oiling your scalp and giving your hair a proper scalp massage. This will help to promote blood flow circulation around your scalp, and which in turn promotes hair growth.
She's making crab. And don't worry, she makes the best hair growth. I've been begging her to give me a little, this is a perfect voiceover. Marco, come and say hello to the camera.
Marco, come and say hello to the camera.
Marco is actually, look at him, look at him, look at. Hey, say hi, camera.
Say hi.
Okay, so me, I'm camera shy. The only thing you can see is my hand and my movements, and then this guy. You see this guy? You should make sure you subscribe and like to this video. If not, I will come to all of you's house. I will buy gun. I will puff you. I'm a non-gun man. I am on gun no man.
What? Hey guys, I'm rounding up this video right now. We just coconut oil. So that's just going to be the extra step in this process. I hope you guys enjoyed my wash day routine. That's all there is to it. Not too much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sorry, please, first time in the next video, can you ask her, this is your natural hair? It's not your natural hair you're meant to apply this thing. It's right there, I'm Fulani hair man. She's a Fulani.
I'm a Fulani hair man.
Okay, so she's going to be starting my own hair. Look at my own hair. It's a golden hair.
Yeah.
She's going to be starting
I'm
with
going to start with it, yeah.
So